Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide any payment methods using product tags in Shopify. You can use collections, products, etc. too instead of tags. First, add a tag to the product for which we want to hide the payment methods. I am adding a no-code Alipay tag to this Snow Bear product and save. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. At the top, you'll see the Describe the rule you want to create box, where you can write your requirements in simple language and click the Create Rule automatically. It should create a draft rule if it understands your rule description. We recommend creating the rule manually, since it is not perfect yet. To create the rule, simply click Search and select Combination manually. Here you'll see different combinations, such as Essential 1 and Essential 2, where you should see some unique conditions which are not available in other combinations. In this example, we'll use the product tags condition. So first, type product tags in the search bar. As we can see, product tags is available in both combinations. We can choose either one by clicking Select this combination button. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Now scroll through the list and select Product Tags. Let's add No-Code Alipay tag here. Now set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because the cart contains wooden spin, and this product is not tagged with No-Code Alipay. Now, let's add the Snow Bear item to the cart, which has the No-Code Alipay tag added to it. Again, go to the checkout page and let's check. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay payment is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!